How to fix Telegram video uploading issues. If you are having trouble uploading videos on Telegram, start by checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection often causes uploads to fail or pause. Make sure your video file size does not exceed Telegram's limit, which is currently 2 GB per file. If your video is larger, try compressing it before uploading. Close other apps using bandwidth to free up your internet speed for Telegram. Try restarting the app or your device if uploads get stuck, as temporary glitches can block the process. Use the latest version of Telegram since updates often fix bugs related to uploading. Have you faced video upload problems on Telegram? Share your experiences or tips in the comments below. Following these steps usually ensures your videos upload successfully every time. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.